Today on Cloud3DPrint, we will be printing and assembling a magic money trick box. We use our software Cloud3DPrint to create a project named Magic Money Box. Upload the file for the project and place the parts onto the build plate. Configure slicing parameters and start slicing in the cloud. Carefully remove the parts from the printer bed and remove any adhesion or supports. Place the small gears into the housing. Then slide the hollow dowel into the housing and attach it to both sides. Then assemble the lower dowel. Once you finish this, attach the outer hand knobs. Using a roll of two-sided tape, adhere a black plastic film to the roller. Paying close attention to the screen, you can see how to attach this film to the second roller. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Cloud3D Print to keep up to date with the latest news about our upcoming software.